Physical features of Tamil Nadu, 4th standard, Unit 2, Term 2, Social Science. Our state. Tamil Nadu is located in South India. It is the 11th largest state in India, and it shares boundaries with Andhra Pradesh to the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, and Bay of Bengal on the east. Tamil Nadu extends up to Kanyakumari, which forms the southernmost tip of India. It is the meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Let's talk about landscape of Tamil Nadu. Now there are four types. The first one is mountains. Now Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats, and they meet at the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. And Doddabetta is the highest peak in Nilgiri Hills. And we also know that Tamil Nadu has various hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Koli Hills, Kotagiri and Erkard. Now the Eastern Ghats do not get enough rainfall unlike the Western Ghats, which receives lot of rainfall. Now the plantation grows in these Ghats include tea, coffee and spices. Now Tamil Nadu has rich flora and fauna. Muttamalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Annamalai are in the Western Ghats of the state. There are a variety of plant species found in them. The Kurunji shrub is the most special of them all, and the Kurunji flower blossoms once in 12 years. Next we have the plateaus. Now there are three plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Baramahal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. There are small hills between these plateaus. Chennimala is one among those hills in Erode. The next one is plains. Plains can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. Now, when we talk about river plains, River Pallar, Cheyar, Pennar and Vellar from northern plains. The middle river plain is formed by Kaveri and its tributaries. Now, River Vaigai and Tamirabarani form the southern plains. River Cheyar is tributary of River Pallar. It is a seasonal river that flows through the district of Tiruvanmalai. Now, coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Chola Mandalam plains, which extend from Chennai to Kanyakumari. The last one is coast. Now, when we talk about coast, Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastline in India, and it extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Pamban Island forms a part of Ramananthapuram. It separates Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. Now 13 districts share the coastline. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are Marina Beach, which is the second longest urban beach in the world. Rameshwaram Beach is famous for its beautiful view. Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its beautiful view of sunrise and sunset over the water. Next, we are going to talk about waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Now, waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. And as we know, there are a lot of waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. And here is a list. You can go through them. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And we have also given a small description on them. Now, talking about climate of Tamil Nadu. Now, Tamil Nadu experience tropical climate, and there is very little difference between summer and winter. The temperature during the summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius, and due to its location, Tamil Nadu experience hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. And Tamil Nadu dependent on the monsoon rains and often faces droughts if monsoon fails. Now, winter season is from January to February, summer season March to May, southwest monsoon June to September, northeast monsoon October to December. Let's talk about forest. There are many types of forest across Tamil Nadu, and most of them are found in the areas near the Ghats section. And these forests have so many types of trees. And the topmost branches of the trees form a continuous chain such that little or no sunlight hits the ground, and this is called canopy. And the forests are divided based on the canopy cover. Now, very dense forest is Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli, Erode. Moderate dense forest is the Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Erode, Krishnagiri. Open forest is Salem, Vellore, Dharmapuri. Now, forests are grouped as three. First one is evergreen forest. The meaning of evergreen is ever is always, green means always green. And the trees in this forest have leaves that are always green. And in Tamil Nadu, we find evergreen forest in the western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. Next one is deciduous forest, and here the trees in the forest shed their leaves during the dry season. And these forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower regions of the hills. The last one is swamp or mangrove forest. The word swamp means areas that are low where water gets collected easily. And these forests are usually found near the beaches or riverbeds. The Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Let's do the book back activities. Choose the correct answer. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. The topmost branches of trees form a chain called canopy. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate. Evergreen forests are found in the places where there is a heavy rainfall. Match the following mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats. Suruli waterfalls is in Theni. India's first sea bridge is Pambam Bridge. Pichavaram in mangrove forest. Tamil Nadu's coastline, third longest in India. True or false? Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. True. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. Kurunchi flowers bloom once in 2 years. False. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Deciduous forests do not shed leaves. False. Let's answer in brief. Name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka. What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? Mountain, plateau, plains, coast. Name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Kotralam, Suruli. Describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Tropical climate, hot and humid weather throughout the year, mild winter. Differentiate evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forest, the trees in these forests have leaves that are always green. Example, Nilgiris. Deciduous forest, the trees in these forests shed their leaves during the dry season.